Hey, what's going on, guys? So I wanted to make a quick video about, what are the dates that or the supplies that we buy. For example, right? You know that we're buying diabetic supplies, but they all have an expiration date, and we're not buying expired stuff, right? So, for example, we got this Dexcom transmitter. As you can see right here, the date says 2022 02/12. Now this is expired, right? Now, if the date said, right now I'm making this video June 28th, 2022. If the date said, December 2022, this would have been fair game. Or anything 8 months out from this current date. So June 28th, so we got July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February 2023. So anything February 2023 and forward past that is fair game. Most of the times, anything before February 2023 and up until now is not. There are some buyers who buy some stuff that they'll take that will expire, between June 28th, which is today, and between February 2023. There are some, but they're gonna pay a little bit lesser, which obviously you'll make a lesser offer to the seller. But for the most part, you want to have supplies 8 months out. And so I get that question a lot. Like, what are we buying? Now, are you gonna see a lot of those supplies? Yes, you are gonna see a lot of supplies that are not expired, because people are getting prescriptions a year and a half out, right? So if today's January 2022, the supply, and I got this I got a prescription for it and I picked it up today. They're gonna give me something that will expire 10 months from now. So October 2022, right? You will run into sellers though that will have expired stuff. And you prep them now. You let them know, hey, I can't take what you have expired. But moving forward, as soon as you get your supplies, the next time you get a prescription, I'll make sure to reach out to me and I'll buy them. And then after that, they know the game. Yeah, guys, so that was just a little quick video just about, what are the dates on the supplies that we're buying. All right.